Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your YouTube Shorts to TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do is just to go to your YouTube studio, and from there you will be needing to download your YouTube Shorts and then just upload it regularly to your TikTok. There is no direct way a direct button, for example, as share or something to transfer directly your YouTube Shorts to TikTok. All you will be needing to do is just to download your video, and basically will be needing to search the shorts that you would like. So from here you will find dashboard, content, analytics, etc. You will go to the content and then go to your YouTube Shorts, search for the shorts, and then from here you will need to download the shorts that you want to transfer. And basically you will be clicking on the three dots icon, and from here we will find this menu. So you will find like video, edit video, etc. You will need just to click on the save to device. By clicking on save to device, now you will have your shorts that has been downloaded to your uh, device. And now all you need to do is just to go to your gallery, and from here you will find your YouTube Shorts. So by going to this YouTube Shorts, you will be able to transfer it or to upload it to your TikTok if you would like. Otherwise, you can start like uh, recording your shorts directly from the phone, and then you edit your shorts, etc., and then you just upload them to your both YouTube studio, and then you upload them to your TikTok, and by that you will be able to have your shorts both on the platform TikTok and YouTube. So thank you for watching, and this is how you can do it, and that's it. See you in next tutorials.